Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Leena Wadhwa, Professor and IVF in charge at ESI Postgraduate Institute of Medical Science and Research, Basai Tarapur, Delhi. I'm Additional Secretary of Indian Fertility Society. I'll be speaking to you about the medico-legal aspects of infertility. We'll be discussing different case scenarios, followed by discussion of ICMR guidelines, and we'll also discuss about the recent ART draft bill 2020 and the surrogacy draft bill which is in pipeline. And then we'll be focusing on how to prevent these medico-legal aspects of infertility in day-to-day practice. I would like to thank Indian Fertility Society for giving me this opportunity. I would like to thank Zydus for this academic initiative. I would like to thank DocMote for providing the platform for such academic activities which are very useful for everyone in day-to-day practice. Thank you.